describe. It's a feeling. It is it's deep. When I'm away from you, I'm lonely. And when I'm with you, I'm not. You are my closest friend. I'm sorry, bro. And I look forward to every single day that I get to spend with you. And I will not break your heart. And I will love you forever. And I will work with you for the best for both of us. And I will be there for you and your mom and your family every day. And if you have a problem with me, you just tell me, and I will adjust my behavior. And if I don't, well, yeah. Some other folks who will talk to you. I just want you to know I love you. This part of my heart. I look forward to spending the rest of my life laughing, loving you, and just being your best friend.
How would you receive it? You feel about it.
Kalau yang dulu luka jadi sisi lu sana kau sampai apa tak nak jadi sisi lu dari tu.